IP root, we can check. You will have the root after some time. If you want to cross check, you can write here show run and you can check configuration. DHCP configuration we done here. This is the interface which is connecting to the other router. We enable the OSPF here. Everything is good here. And this is sub interface. You have OSPF here also in this sub interface. And then after that, what we have here show IP root. So everything is good. Just now you have some root, right? Let me save the configuration and reload the router. I think this is some issue with the router. I save the configuration, I reload the router, and we will see some what is the issue we are facing here. Now we should have some neighbor. Let me write show IP root. Show IP root we are not getting. After some time they will form the neighborship. Show IP interface brief 13.2 here, and we need to check here also what we configure here. Show IP root, here we configure, or let me write show IP interface brief 13.1 for this 0/0 and F0/1 will be 13.2. Show IP OSPF show IP OSPF interface brief. So these two interface we put in the OSPF. So now we have the neighborship, so we can check. We have the neighborship, but we are not getting the root here. Any root we are not receiving. Show IP root, show IP OSPF neighbor. So neighborship we have here. We are getting the neighbor here. So we found the neighborship, but this 12.2 network information is not coming here. Let's do all the configuration and then we will do the troubleshooting. What is the issue? Maybe here we have some issue, but no problem. We will see that. First we will do one side, then we can look. Yeah, here we are getting the root. You can see here I am getting the root. What root I am getting? OIA. So 13.1 this network there it is receiving here. This sub interface is still not gone there. So maybe we did not enable correctly here. Show IP interface brief and show run. Here we have router OSPF1. This is a sub interface. We have the IP OSPF1 area 0, and here IP OSPF1 area 0, and this interface is also IP OSPF1 area 0 we have here. We will see, no problem. Let me go to the switch and we will do here. So first what we will do inside the switch we need to do the VLAN configuration. So we will go here and we will write here SW1 configuration, enable config T, host name SW1, VLAN 10 name we can give IT, VLAN 20 name we can give HR, and then what you have here interface F0/1. We will make this one as a trunk, switch port mode trunk, which is connecting to the router interface here, and these two port F0/2, F0/3. so this one interface F0/2-3. I will write the range command here. Switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 10. So I move this port in VLAN 10. Then you have interface F0/4 here, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20. Okay, this is a switch 1 configuration. I will copy and paste. Let's see everything is good or not here. Here something wrong, I need to give the space here, I forget to give the space here. Okay, everything is good, remaining thing, just I need to give space here. Now okay, let me save this configuration also. Okay, now we can verify we are getting the IP or not. I can go here, I can connect here. Yeah, here 10.11. So we are getting the IP from the DHCP here. Here also we are getting the IP. Here I will go, I will write, I will check here. Here also I am getting the IP 20.11. Okay, so we are getting DHCP server is working. This side configuration is done. Now we need to look the other side. So here R2 we done, I think. Let's see, R2 configuration done. R4 we need to do. So here I will do R4 configuration, enable config T, host name R4, interface F0 by 0, IP address 192.168.24.1, or what we have 24.2, give space 255.255.255.0, no shut. And here if you want router OSPF1, interface F0 by 0, IP OSPF1 area 2, where we are doing here. So let me do this much and I will paste this here. So here I pasted everything. The below one I still did not configure. Below I need to configure. So here I write show IP root. Here I am getting show IP root. We are not getting show IP OSPF neighbor. So neighbor we are getting, but roots are not coming in the routing table. So we need to check what we done here. Maybe something wrong. Show run. And we will verify what is the issue here, why it is not working. DHCP server we configure IP 13.2 and here sub interface 10.1 20.1. this one is okay. And here let me check here, show run. Here I